What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all enjoying your holidays. Today's video is going to be mainly focused towards gentlemen, but ladies, if you're watching this, maybe you can get some tips from this as well, or you can share with your boyfriend, your dad, a close friend of yours, whatever you want to do. But stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you guys the best skincare routine that you can do all year round. So stick around. Alright guys, before I start this video, I just want to make it clear for you gentlemen. I know that as men, we don't really wear makeup, right? I know there's men out there that you know, they do their makeup, whatever, and that's cool. You do you, boo-boo. But me personally, I don't do any makeup. So it is highly important for a guy like myself to take good care of my face, because I don't put any makeup on it. This is me right here. You know, when I go talk to somebody, or when I'm trying to, you know, put my Mac on with the ladies, you know what I'm saying? This is what they're gonna be looking at. And if I don't take good care of my skin is extremely oily. They're gonna see the sun glistening on my forehead. And they're gonna see the acne all around the face. So it's very important that you take good care of your money maker right here, which is why I have the best routine for you guys. I'm using right now 2 products, and we're gonna go through them. So the first product that I'm using right here is basically what I use to wash my face in the morning and at night, almost every single day. Okay guys, so this right here is the Pure Cast Iron Soap by Dr. Bronner's. I think is how you pronounce it. But this was recommended to me by somebody that has really good skincare routines, and they take really good care of their skin. And I've been using this same bottle for like over half a year, and you can see how much I still have left. Like, you really need a very small amount. This is like an all-purpose kind of soap, so you can use it for other things. You can use it as a soap for your hands. You can use it as a shampoo. You can use it to wash your body. But I've been using it only to wash my face. Take a tiny little drop and I dilute it with a little bit of water because it's very concentrated. So you want to dilute it a little bit. And what I do is I rub my face in circular motions. I make sure I get all those areas that usually I tend to break out a lot. So like on my eyebrows, I tend to break out. On the side of my face, sometimes I get some breakouts there from sweating in the gym. This product has been very good. It doesn't overly dry your face out. So after you wash your face, after you've towel dried your face, whichever way you like to dry your face, then you're gonna need a good cream and a good moisturizer for your face. Now what I've been using for the past year or so is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream right here. So I've been using this for over a year. This stuff is amazing. It doesn't make your face too oily, and it also doesn't leave your face too dry. It's used by dermatologists. Dermatologists recommend this for people who have eczema. So even if you have like some eczema on your face, you'll be okay to use this. It helps with irritation and anything like that, dry skin, all that good stuff. Hydrates your face. It's overall very good cream. I've been using it for a long time. It's definitely my go-to cream. I don't really use any other creams besides this one. Cream, moisturizer, whatever you want to call it, this is what I use. It's amazing. You don't need a lot. You put a little dime size on your finger, and then you just again rub it on your face in circular motions, but make sure your hands are clean. That's pretty much gonna be it, man. Very short video, very quick, straight to the point. I wanted to just demonstrate you guys what I've been using for such a long time. I mean, I know that there's a lot of other factors that lead to, you know, having good skin. You know, sometimes it's genetics, it can be helped, or you know, it's also your diet, making sure that you're drinking a lot of water, making sure that you're exercising and stuff like this. But having a routine that you can follow easily every single day, that's not going to take you more than 5 minutes a day, it's a good way to start for somebody that's looking for a really good routine. I highly recommend both of these products that I mentioned, and if you guys have any other recommendations, leave them down in the comment section. I would love to hear some ideas. I'm also looking for a good exfoliator. I know that I need one, and I'll probably be making a video about that later on in the future. So if you guys have any recommendations, leave them down in the comment sections. You might get a shout out in the next video. You never know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope this was helpful to somebody out there. Be sure to share with your friends, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your mom, your dad, your cousin. You share with somebody, all right? As always, savage responsibly in whatever it is that you do. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Four in the morning, know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent, smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy, balling out finger roll, yeah, with the jelly, vibing out, you can find me at the telly, the drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty, know that I'm peaking, yeah, I be speeding, lanes I be